Say, man, what's going on? It's your man, Big Cell, FHOs, HNIC, man. Listen, Tuesday night, bike night, I was there, man. My girl, ATL Drone Girl, Atlanta Drone Girl came through, man, and helped me take this footage. I hope you guys enjoy it, man. It's just footage, man, of the bike night. It was Banana Tuesday night, man. Shout out to DJ Jelly. Shout out to DJ Dirty, the host. And we just had a ball, man. We set up and we podcast, and we got nothing but positive feedback about the Tampa Jamboree. Just wanted to put this out there, man, so you can see how they get out in Atlanta. I hope you enjoy this, man. The footage is awesome. Keep doing your thing. We will be in Tampa grabbing major footage, man, and putting together the Tampa Jamboree, the movie, man. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. And sit back and watch how we get out in Atlanta.
Big Cell, you a fool for this one. That's right. FHO. Yeah, let's roll. Huh? FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell in your radio. FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell on your radio. FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell in your radio. FHO, banger alert, banger alert. Big Cell on your radio. Big Cell in your radio. Best podcast show since the Misfits couldn't carry on, but I'ma carry on and get the party cracking. The homegirl 7 carats known for text blasting. Get she on the rock if you want action. 800 plus, it's a known fashion. Keep her back up playing cause the wheels cracking. Big Cell can keep it real, what a passion. All gas, no break, in and out of traffic. You see your brother on a hole, respect the passions. Whether they outlaws or outcasts, Big Cell's top 5 when you in traffic. Ride your ride, mind your business, stay in your own lane. Respect others and set the game. Spread black love the old-fashioned way. You miss the West with the South, this a master pass. FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell in your radio. FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell on your radio. FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell in your radio. FHO, FHO, FHO. Big Cell on your radio.
Again, appreciate y'all, man. I love you guys. Thank you for the calls. Thank you for the donations.
No doubt.
Don't forget, man, support the channel, support the platform. I need you. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. And again, man, I love you guys. Don't forget the 5 things I'm gonna leave you with. Ride your own ride, stay in your own lane, mind your business. Have enough love in yourself to have some love for me. We're gonna ride for love and let it ride, man. We gone, man. Gone, man.
Big Cell on your radio.
Vision featuring Rick Ross, The Boss. Saturday, May 28th, join me, Queen B, on the beach at Rick